Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about Bessel's function, and one question from this topic will surely asked in examination. Surely asked in examination starts with Bessel's equation x square d square y dx square plus x dy by dx. This equation is called Bessel's equations. ठीक है, and you have to remember it. Jn, the Bessel function by definition is given by summation r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to the power r divided by r factorial. This is the notation of gamma function. So gamma n plus r plus 1 into x by 2 raised to the power n plus 2r. This Jn is called Bessel function of order n. If you want to find Bessel function of order minus n, then just change n by minus n. Change n by minus n, or here change n by minus n. ठीक है, this become Bessel's function for order negative n. For this topic you have to remember the value of Jn, because the value of Jn is used everywhere in this chapter. So remember this value. So now we will proceed with first recurrence relation. So the first recurrence relation is d by dx x raised to the power n into gx is equal to x raised to the power n into jn minus 1x. We'll start with jn. Jn is given by its natural value r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to the power r factorial. Gamma n plus r plus 1 x by 2 raised to the power n plus 2r. Here gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factorial. Here I take privilege to assume that you know the value of gamma function. If you are not knowing, please read it. This is gamma function, and gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factorial. So if I write this gamma notation into this factorial notation, then it will be okay. N plus 1 is equal to n factorial. It means n plus 1 is equal to n plus r factorial. Now requirement of the question is x raised to the power n into jn. Here x raised to the power n into jn, and we have to multiply this and then differentiate. So multiply both sides by x raised to the power n. Here x raised to the power n comes, everything else is same, base is same, and power is added. N plus 2r, n 2n plus 2r, everything else is same. Now we differentiate this value. Differentiation involves only variables. It means differentiation of only this will takes place. Differentiation of this function only will takes place. So this is the differentiation. So minus 1 raised to the power remains same. 2n plus 2r comes down, x raised to the power 2n plus 2r minus 1. Everything will remain same otherwise. Now 2 is common out from this, n plus r, x raised to the power 2n plus 2r minus 1, 1 by 2 raised to the power n plus 2r. Now we use the definition of factorial. And we used to write n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial, or n plus 1 factorial can be written as n factorial. So this means n plus r factorial can be written as n plus r minus 1. So we write the value of n plus r factorial by n plus r into n plus r minus 1 factorial. This term got cancelled out, and we take x raised to the power n common out of the expression, as expression varies from r is equal to 0 to infinity, so there is no problem of taking x raised to the power n outside. Why we take x raised to the power n outside? See the requirement in the given function. Requirement is that you have to prove x raised to the power n into gn minus 1 x. So we take this term out. Now see the adjustment. Minus 1 raised to the power r. X has same power n plus 2r minus 1 as 1 by 2. Here we have 1 by 2 raised to the power n plus 2r, and this 2 got adjusted in this. Why? 2 is equal to 1 by 2, negative 1 raised. So this 2 got adjusted in this. That's why this can be written as this. Now the power of x and the power of 1 by 2 is same, therefore we can adjust them. So after adjusting we can write this. If you see this expression carefully, this is same as Jn except n minus 1 in place of n. See here, r is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to the power r factorial. Say this one is the easy, minus 1 raised to the power r factorial n plus r factorial. Now in this expression, minus 1 raised to the power r factorial, but in place of n minus 1 is there, in place of n minus 1 there. Therefore this expression is just jn minus 1x. This is the proof of our first recurrence relation, which is very important for exam. Basically there are 6 recurrence relations, only 2 are basic results and all 4 we can derive from these 2 basic relations. So now the for second recurrence relation, the result is x into jn dash x is equal to x jn minus 1x minus n jn x. Now to prove this result, we just differentiate the recurrence relation 1. So recurrence 1 relation is this, differentiate by product rule, x raised to the power n into gn dash plus gn dash x same, gn x same, derivative of x raised to the power n x raised to the power n minus 1. So simple derivative. Next is this, cancel x n minus 1 cancel, then you will get this relation, and this is your second recurrence formula. I hope all of you are getting my point. So now we will proceed to next formula, and this formula is also very important. So to prove this recurrence formula, just we take value of jn. The value of jn given by same as in first recurrence formula. We multiply this value by x raised to the power n, and this value got adjusted here. Why x raised to the power minus 1? This is required here. As n got cancelled out, we get a simplified value here. This is the simplified value in which n got cancelled out, everything else is same. Now differentiate. We will differentiate only the variable, and the variable is x raised to the power 2r. Here I take r is equal to 1. Why r is equal to 1? The reason lies in the fact that if you got term like this in expression this, and to simplify this you write r into r minus 1 factorial, and this cancel out, and this term appears in expression r lies from and some other terms. If r is 0 and this term occurs in the question, factorial of negative 1 is not defined. Factorial of negative 1 is not defined. Why? This can easily proved. N factorial is same as n into n minus 1 factorial. If we take n is equal to 0, 0 factorial, 0 into negative 1 factorial. So this is not the relation. 0 factorial is 1, 1 is equal to 0 into minus 1. So that's why minus 1 factorial is not defined. So adjustment here, if we take r here, r minus 1, then definitely in denominator a term containing r minus 1 appears, and if we take r is equal to 0 here, then the whole term become undefined. So to adjust this, we start from r is equal to 1. We start from r is equal to 1. Now take x raised to the power minus n common. It means plus n is there. Now for adjustments, this 2 goes in this adjustment, this 2 goes in. 2 is equal to 1 by 2 negative 1 power negative 1. Now change r into r plus 1. Here we change r into r plus 1. It means r changes to r plus 1, r changes to r plus 1 is equal to 1. This means start from 0, 0. R changes to r plus 1. R changes to r plus 1, it means 2r plus 2 minus 1, 2r plus 1. R changes to r plus 1, 2r plus 2 minus 1, 2r plus 1. R changes to r plus 1, it means r plus 1 is 0. So now see this result. This value is same as this value, therefore got adjusted in this, and we can write in compact form. Minus 1 raised to the power r plus 1, r plus r factorial is there, n plus r plus 1 factorial is there. This is nothing but, say, this value. This value is nothing but the value of Jn plus 1. So here we derive the next recurrence formula. Now we will proceed with the next recurrence formula. So R4 is x, Jn dash x is equal to n Jnx minus x Jn plus 1x. So to start, we just proceed with previous recurrence formula, and the previous recurrence formula is d by dx x raised to the power n into Jnx, and this is the previous recurrence formula. Differentiate this side by product rule. X raised to the power n minus 1 Jn dash minus differentiation of this into Jn is equal to this divided by x raised to the power minus n minus 1. So you will get recurrence formula number 4. So 2 are derived, R4 or R2 are derived, and R1 and R3 are basic. Now we derive R5 and R6. R5 is of the form this. Now take second and fourth recurrence formula and just add xjn dash added to gives 2xjn dash xjn minus 1x. This term cancel out and minus xjnx. So 2 times jn x cancel out, x cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. 2 times jn dash x is equal to jn minus 1x. This is your fifth recurrence formula. So now sixth recurrence formula. This is your sixth recurrence formula. Write the value of, again write the value of fourth, second and fourth. Here we add, here we subtract 2 from 1 and we will get the value of sixth recurrence formula. I hope I have made everything clear. Rest you can revise and get through it. So thank you.